The Baseus Bowie MC2. It is a waterproof IP67 4-mic 55-hour clear audio headsets for gyms, walking around, commuting, jogging, and more. Let's open up the product, show you what you get inside. Their open air headsets come in 3 air sizes: medium, large, extra large pieces. They wrap around the ear. It is application driven, smartphone driven. It comes nicely packaged and protected, as you see in a film cover. It has its battery operated case that you simply open up, remove the pieces. As an accessory package included USB-C charging cable. Black on black logo, LED light, USB-C charging area, opening up the open headsets. There are ways to wear it. This goes on the air. This goes on the back with the physical button located on top of the unit over here. One is marked left, one is marked right. We have the Cloud Foam 2.0 covers. They come in 3 sizes. To replace, there is an opening. Grab and pull off. Grab the size for your ear with the opening. Slip on and over the opening. Charging the battery case is simple plugging in with a soft white blinking light. Placing in each of the units correctly to its location for charging. In the center will be the 2 silver pins of each unit, and they are charged in a number of hours. Up to 55 hours of use standby, 11 full hours of daytime playing, with 10 minutes of fast charge for 3 hours of use at a time. Your headsets are as easy as taking the right out to the air on the back and on into the air area with the on and off switch located right here. Simply grab open air units. They come in medium, large, and extra large air comfort. The Cloud 2.0 comfort phones. You're given a quick guide and instructions on how to use your unit, of every single physical button and what it does. We're going to be setting up our open air pods, the M2s. They can be placed in the case, left side and right side, and recharge. Follow the instructions. Log in. When you're on this page, we're going to add the device. Allow to connect and open up and pull out each of the units. Bowie MC2 connect. Add device. Added. We have a nice large badge, and we're open up to this page. We have an EQ that we can set with the number 3.0 super bass. We have powerful bass, high fidelity live, pop music, and so on. Or we can add our own by creating our own and drawing our lines how we want our music to sound. And save. Customize. There are a number of customizations available. We have a plus on top that we can add as well over there or delete off. Backing out, We have low latency mode, sound settings, a bass boost on and off, high resolution audio LDAC off and on, a left and right channel we could equalize to which ear, and call enhancements. We have a gesture setting. We could tap, double tap, triple tap, tap and hold for play, next, previous, and volume. And we have a tap to answer and then tap and hold to decline. Left ear and right ear we could set up. We have a dual device connection. And we can add another device to connect, more than one to share on the same phone. The Bowie MC2. Simply open, grab. There are no lights. Place in the air. The headsets, they are waterproof. IP67 rated. Easy to stick back in the air. All weather, except swimming. These are Comfort, Air Cloud Comfort. And now we're able to take each of the earpieces, place them on the open earpieces, the Cloud 2.0, open up an application of audio, and we're going to be listening to music. I cannot demonstrate or show you the music of the product, but on the product itself, it has a number for the left side over here where the index finger's at, that you simply take and correctly put into the ear, overlapping the main controller behind and the speaker in the front with the medium, large, or extra large cushion, the Cloud 2.0 cushions. Up to 55 hours of use and standing by. When a phone call is reached or a text message, you may hear it through the unit. You can set it up for gestures by tapping on the unit for next, previous, and long press for canceling, or pressing on the buttons for the same type of commands, or open up the application and set up via the TU application or the Baseus. For jogging, for biking, for hiking, for walking, making calls, these are your earpieces. They're easy to take out of the carrying case, very simple to place on the ear in the open over the earlobe and the back, and to press and to long press to end and answer phone calls and more. They have 4 microphones for the phone. They have Super Bass 3.0 and more with equalization through the application, smartphone application driven. The Baseus Bowie M2 Earbuds. These are the earbuds, IP67 rated, can be washed off if fallen in the water, cleaned and rinsed. They are not for swimming, but they are for everyday use. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.